Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natalie and you're on my channel Home Gardening. What you can do is just take a knife and cut your plant somewhere in here. Try to cut it the more lower and just put this part into a regular water. Put it somewhere in a sunny and warm place, but try to avoid direct sunlight. And just wait until these parts of actually these are roots, but these roots are sleeping one. And if you cut it and put it in the water, in the meanwhile these roots will awake and it will grow new roots from these small parts. But there is one thing. When you will cut it and put in the water, you will have to cut all the flowers away because there is no roots, so the plant can't feed itself. So these roots, these flowers are just very hard to maintain to this flower. So you will have to cut these flowers. Second of all, as you can see, there is nice looking green leaves. Even one of it is new leaf because it's glossy one. When you will cut it, you will have to cut also a few leaves because they will start to become yellowish, and I don't like it. I don't want to make my bush not so nice looking because of everything. So what will I do and what will I suggest you to do to avoid all these bad things, like cutting the flowers, like cutting the leaves, like preventing leaves become yellowish, and so on and so forth. So what I will suggest you to do and what will I do? First of all, I will take a simple plastic cup. As you can see, I've already cut some pieces from here. It was like this. And also I've cut the bottom part. It was like this. So I've cut these two pieces, okay? Second of all, I've cut this plastic cup in half, like this. And what will I do right now? I will just take it, put around my Anthurium plant. So as you can see, I'm finished filling this type of my stem with a simple coconut core. Of course, I will water it. I will just remove it. And this is my bush that I've been propagated few weeks. Bush will give me additional growing, additional new growth, and it will be for sure as in the best way for the bush, without cutting, without putting it into the water. I just tried to do it the best that I can for bush, for my plant, and for my eyes also. So I hope you liked this video. I hope you will try this method of air layering Anthurium plant. If you liked this video, don't forget a thumb up. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you very soon. Bye.